you doing? We started in 1982. We decided we were going to open a holistic fair. Well, back then we called it psychic fairs. So holistic wellness would mean using all kind of modalities, whatever would be appropriate. If somebody was ill, they might use let's say you broke your arm, you might use a medical or Western medicine. But if you just have, let's say, working with digestion, you have a lot more options to go with holistic, which means just about anything. So you could use your own guidance. You could use herbs, you could use oils, you could use, of course, Ayurvedic medicine, which is another form of medicine. So you can use spirit. I mean, there's so many modalities out there nowadays. One of the things is sometimes you'll meet somebody and then they find out what I do, and they'll tell me a story that they came to the fair, one time, and they met somebody or they had a reading and it changed their life. And so for me, that's important.
I have been working with crystals for probably about 4 years, taking classes myself and getting my Reiki 1 and, my crystal healing. And I decided that, that's something that I would like to do long term. So I just was like, let's do this. So started it up, started doing markets, and it's just been fun ever since.
I've always had this gift, and everything that I do is about awakening people to the best part of themselves and moving through trauma, being able to embrace their mysticism, their transformation, and their wisdom. Sometimes it's so hard being here on earth. We're given all kinds of issues and trauma, and I think we're here to heal them, and we need each other to do that.
My name is Wendy. We have Faye's Closet. This is the biggest event we've done yet. We only started this summer. We have essential oils and we have all kind of handmade things and sun catchers and jewelry and gnomes and dragon stuffies. I tend to do a lot with essential oils in the booth, and to see that be able to help people is amazing.
They sit with me and share with me their lives and their stories, and they genuinely have really great questions about where's the world going? How can I help? It's just amazing.
My favorite part about coming to the events is connecting with other people and watching the magic unfold with using my animal oracle cards, but watching other people experience the magic that is the animal world and synchronicity and positive uplifting messages. It's been really meaningful to watch people's lives be, even in tiny ways, touched or supported, and to hear people's stories. I just feel deeper connected to the community here, and it allows me to remember why I do the work that I do.
Share with me your story so we could talk about how beautiful your life is.
We do 2 fairs here at the ranch, and then we do 1 fair in Brighton at Adams County Fairground, and that one's in April. And the ranch is in March, so we call it the Spring Fair, and September, which is the Fall Fair. It means to find me online would be to go to the website, which is www.holistic-fairs, F-A-I-R-S.com, and then have a look at the website, read all the different things that we do and why and all that. And you can find out the information about fairs as well. So whether somebody wants to just attend or be a vendor or a reader or a practitioner, that's all on the website there. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
I have my website where you can find most of these items at imperialskycrystals.com. And we also have an Etsy under the same thing, so you can find us everywhere. And we pop up at a lot of markets all around, Colorado.
So I'm in Longmont, Colorado, and my website is www.bodymindDynamics, 2 Ds, and dynamics with an S.org. The more people I work with, the more that I see as a reflection, and then it deepens my own connection as well.
fayscloset.com. Faye is F-A-I-E. fayscloset.com.
You could find me on Instagram, on Facebook. Of my website, it is KarenKleithermes.com. It's a really long name, KarenKleithermes.com. I have online store, I do commissions, all that good stuff.
You can find me at ariesmoonshop.com. I'm on Instagram, Tarot by Patty, and I'm here. I'm a local in Loveland, and so just find me.